Today on Masterclass, we're going to talk about jockey wheels. Often we see people wanting to change their jockey wheel to something huge and heavy duty because they're having trouble pushing their camper or caravan around. Often it's because people simply aren't doing it right. If you're bending your jockey wheel, you've done something wrong. This guy is an Alco. It's designed to take a 400 kilo load, which is absolutely plenty. But what people often make the mistake of doing is moving their camper or caravan around with the jockey wheel extended. They're not designed to do it. Basically, its prime function is to allow you to get your trailer coupled up or uncoupled from your vehicle. They're not really made to be pushing your camper or caravan all over your grass in your backyard. Simply don't do it. So when you're going to move your trailer, when it's not hooked up to the vehicle and you want to push it around on the jockey wheel, first thing you should do is lower it as far as it will go and still be able to turn freely at the bottom. Winding, 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 winding. Now I've lowered the jockey wheel to a position where I can move this camper around freely. The wheel will still turn and pivot, and the angle will actually help it steer more straight. A lot safer. We've now got an overlap of the inner and outer tube, making that a very, very strong unit. At 400 kilos, that's where it's supposed to be. That's where its rating is. Extended fully, forget it. You give away too much leverage. If the wheel stops turning, hits grass, it's going to try and bend the tube. You'll wreck your jockey wheel, and that's not a warranty issue. That is an owner misuse issue. So now, I can move this XTT without a problem in the world. An important safety factor is never get your hands or any part of your body underneath the trailer when you're moving it on the jockey wheel, just in case for some reason it does collapse. MDC and Masterclass helping you escape with confidence with all your fingers and toes.